Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode where we're diving deep into a little-known crypto arbitrage strategy that's been generating some serious profits for me. If you think you've heard it all in the world of crypto, think again. This method could completely reshape how you see market opportunities. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end because I've got an exciting surprise in store for you.
Whoa, this sounds intriguing. Could you give us a sneak peek of what that surprise might be? Laughs. I'm all ears.
Haha, hang tight. First, let's get started. You'll need a minimum of 100 USDT and the Trust Wallet app. If you haven't installed it yet, do it now. Here's the game changer. I'll show you how to execute this arbitrage process without needing to withdraw your crypto. It's truly revolutionary.
Wait. So we can invest our crypto without, having to take it out? That sounds super convenient, like getting pizza delivered without having to leave the couch.
Exactly. It's all about leveraging the differences in price across platforms. Picture this. I'm transferring 1,000 USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. But remember, you can also start with just 100 USDT. In Trust Wallet, make sure to enable the ARPA coin. It's essential, just like having all your ingredients ready before cooking your favorite dish.
So it's like we're, shopping for the best prices. What if I walked into a store and found the same item on sale somewhere else? Can we really find those price differences? Sigh.
Exactly. That's a perfect analogy. We've uncovered an arbitrage opportunity here, like unearthing a hidden treasure chest. Now, you'll want to note the current price of ARPA, which is about 0.0721. This detail is critical. We need it for our calculations.
Got it. But what if the price suddenly changes while we're doing all this? Does that happen often?
It can happen, so timing is essential. Next, let's head to the ARPA website, arpachain.site, and check the Buy ARPA option. Right now, the price is 0.0579. By comparing it, we can see we're looking at an approximate profit of 18%. Think of it as shopping. Always compare prices to snag the best deal.
So you're saying it's kind of like those Black Friday ads, where you can find amazing deals if you just look? What if I choose a different network or coin? Does that mess everything up?
Great insight. Choosing a different cryptocurrency can work, but you must ensure it fits with the network's availables. Just like opting for a highway versus a back road, some choices can cost you more in fees. I'm sending 1,000 USDT on the Tron network. The key is to select wisely.
This is starting to make sense. So I need to choose the network with lower fees, like, avoiding toll roads on a road trip, right?
Exactly. Now that we're set, I paste the ARPA wallet address and finalize the transaction by clicking Buy ARPA, quote, "This will redirect us to Trust Wallet to complete the transfer." Upon receiving ARPA, I'll show you a quicker method that doesn't require withdrawing from the exchange.
And will that be quicker? I mean, does it help save money too?
Oh, absolutely. Both time and money. Whenever you're redirected, copy the sending address. You can utilize that for transactions from any exchange to save on fees. I received 17,322 ARPA, which is about 1,253 USDT. Not bad, right?
Wow. So if I wanted to keep going, I could just, do another trade right after? That sounds so exciting. Laughs.
Absolutely. Now that you have your ARPA, you can send it back to Binance to convert back to USDT. I'll copy the ARPA wallet address, choose the network, and complete my arbitrage. Once it arrives at Binance, I'll convert it. You know, I prefer using USDT since, like a stable friend at a party, it keeps things rooted.
This all sounds so cool. Do you plan to make a video about all this? What other details will you share?
Definitely. I'll upload a video showing the entire process directly from Binance. Plus, I'll share personal tips to refine your approach. This makes it accessible for everyone. So be sure to stay tuned, because there's plenty more on the way.
I can't wait to see it. This journey into crypto trading has been so eye-opening. Thanks for sharing all this amazing info. Laughs.